size. It's a little baby size. Hey, Jess.
Hey, bud. What are you talking about?
I don't know, it's so hot, it scares me. Did you guys just come in here? I've been here the whole time, but I already said hi, so. This girl's texting, she's so over it, she's like, anywhere else right now besides here. As soon as he moved that other weird stool, I was just like done, I was over it. We have one more song to play, and then we're going to sign posters. You guys immediately have the best seat in the house because you get to stay right here. So, good for you. Yeah, good for you. You can applause for yourself.